Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through the updated steps to allow your channel admins to post stories on Telegram. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to give your trusted admins the power to share stories, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the channel. Once you're in, head over to your channel by selecting it from your list of chats. Next, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the channel's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings for your channel. Now, look for the Edit button, usually found near the top right corner of the profile page. Tap on it to enter the editing menu. From here, find and tap on the Administrators section. This is where you control who has admin privileges and what each admin can do in your channel. You'll see a list of all current admins. Tap on the admin you want to allow to post stories. This will open their Permissions panel, where you can customize what they're allowed to do. Scroll down to find the Manage Stories section. Under this, you'll see the option labeled Post Stories. Toggle this option on to grant the selected admin permission to post stories on behalf of your channel. Once you've enabled the permission, don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your chosen admin can now start posting stories, helping to keep your channel lively and engaging. Stories are a fantastic way to share updates, announcements, or behind-the-scenes moments with your audience. By empowering your admins to post stories, you make it easier to keep your community informed and entertained. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and updates. Enjoy managing your channel with these new features.